2021 Ford Bronco accessory detailed. Now, when Ford finally showed off the 2021 Bronco last summer, the company also promised to offer more than 150 factory-backed accessories. For months, enthusiasts have been itching and scratching for a look at the full accessory kit. Anticipation on the forums built to a fever pitch as we inch closer and closer to the Bronco expected on sale date. Now, thanks to the members over at Bronco 6G Forum, we get a chance to check out the 2021 Ford Bronco accessory catalog that was just sent to dealers. Not only has Ford kept its promise, but the automaker has more than doubled its initial estimate for accessories, offering more than 300 different parts to choose from. Most of the accessories will be available immediately, but there are a few key components that won't arrive until later in the year. Now, those looking to personalize the exterior of their 2021 Broncos will be treated to different spare tire covers, rock rails, step bars, bimini tops, mud flaps, and fender flares in several different widths. There are also options developed by Thule and Yakima, like roof-mounted kayak carriers, hitch-mounted bike racks, ski, snowboard racks, cargo boxes, retractable awnings, a tent, even a perimeter fence. Also, let's not forget the trail armor developed by Lund, are the multiple graphic packs designed by Visco. Now, moving inside, there are multiple cargo organizing options: seat covers, headliners, floor liners, door sills, roof-mounted storage pockets. Plus, there are electronic goodies like soundbars, portable fridge, freezers, remote start systems, dash cam, range extending antenna. Pet lovers will be pleased to hear that there are multiple pet harnesses options along with the pet barriers and a portable pet kennel. Unfortunately, many of the functional add-ons won't be available right away. For example, the tube doors, trailer brake control, winch, the exhaust system upgrades won't arrive until later. Stepping into the even more hardcore options, there are different rear axles with ratios ranging from 4.88 to 5.38. That will eventually join the party, plus extra wheel options, different color beadlock rings, upgraded half shafts, and beefier rear drive shafts. Shoppers will also have to wait to get their hands on the Ford Performance Off-Road Suspension Kit. However, for the off-road dedicated, there's the Dana 44-470 ring and a pinion kit that will be available immediately. Along with the rear axle assemblies is the 4.46 and the 4.70 ratios, plus the 4.70 ratio front ring and the pinion set. Ford says it will release all the official details about the 2021 Ford Bronco accessories closer to the 2021 production in May. Personally, that 2022 Ford Bronco sounds quite appetizing. But if you got to have your Bronco now, be sure to get your ticket once order banks open next week. Thanks for watching Zay Automotive Reviews. And this is Muscle Cars and Trucks.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.